I'm Matt McWilliams. I'm the Global Technical Manager with Bridon USA. We're here today to speak a bit about large square baler adjustments, troubleshooting, and our latest and greatest Impax technology. With Impax technology, we're able to bale longer, make heavier bales, and improve the performance of your large square baler in the field. So this is our latest technology with Bridon USA, Bridon Max with Impax Technology. This product is designed to make you more efficient on your farm. First of all, it's much smaller diameter with much higher performance than standard twines in the field. The reason we're able to achieve this is because we've essentially changed the DNA of the plastic within the twine itself. This is our 700 knot strength performance product. This is a standard 550 performance product. If we compare them side by side, the purple Impax technology is slightly thinner diameter than a standard 550. Bridon Max with Impax Technology also includes fibrillation. Fibrillation helps to soften the consistency of the twine and help improve performance. That reduction in twine diameter also reduces the amount of misties that you might experience during the baling process. The other great advantage is this product is 4,650 foot, 700 knot strength performance product, which is 40% longer than standard 700s on the market. That enables you to bale for much longer with each twine box load. The other major advantage of Impax technology is we're able to reduce the amount of shock that the twine experiences during the baling process using Impax technology. This not only helps to reduce the mistie rate, but also reduces broken bales in the field, while also increasing your baler load and increasing your average bale weight. So we've covered all the benefits of Bridon Max with Impax technology. We're also proud to say these products are proudly made in the USA in Jerome, Idaho. So choose Bridon Max with Impax to increase the efficiency on your farm.